Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. This Dokotoo women's long tunic is such a versatile piece. I love the length to cover skinny jeans or leggings, and I've even used it as a bathing suit cover-up. Even dress it up with a pair of black leggings and a pair of heels. And the gray color is just so nice and neutral. I like the center back seam because it adds a little interest, and the pockets add a nice touch in the front. It also makes a great seasonal transition piece. I am a size 12 and the large fits me so nicely. The sleeves give nice upper arm coverage with slight ruching on the side. I just love the comfort, the style, and the versatility of this long tunic. And that's my point of view.